So, so hey guys, so this is a small tutorial on how I used my own Hugging Face model to build my own web app. So I previously created two translation apps from English to German and German to English. So I just created an English to German a translation model and another one from German to English. So uh, so I'll just show you the code one thing. So this is the particular code which I have written for for this app. So this is just a normal front end part, the HTML code. So this is the style sheet code which I have written. Next, I have written a JavaScript code. So uh, so we actually access the model from Hugging Face. So we actually need to get a a token which a read token. So that can be done once if we log in through Hugging Face and then just create a read token which we can use. Which we can use further. But we actually don't need to run any server to get this. The server is actually at this URL, like you can see your API inference huggingface.co at something. So Hugging Face developed an infrastructure where we can directly access the models which I have tried without downloading them or using them. With just a single post query, post request, we can access them though. So, so the main logic behind my own script, my JavaScript was, so we just need to select the direction of translation, whether you want to do it something from English to German or German to English, and then we just post a request, we post a post request to the API inference, and then we just get the content. So I'll just show you how this app runs now. So we'll just go live now. So yeah, so let's just move to the Edge browser because it gives us a good edge over good things. So I'll just paste it here and then I'll just run it. So yeah, so our app is running. So I'll just use a small simple thing like I love some things. So I'm just translating it from English to German. So yeah, not an issue. So okay, I'll just reload it. I think that will fix it now. Yeah, so we can see it's like something like Ichelibe it was. So we'll just do the reverse of this. We'll just translate from German to English as well. Uh, so yeah, I love something. So we can see that. Uh, so one more thing is that so we need a particular API key to run this app. So normally when we run a Python server, a Python script, we definitely need not to store any API tokens in any file or something because we can access the environment and something. So I was not aware of environment thing is available in Java, so I just used an alternate way. So I just created a JavaScript and stored my key in this JavaScript. Next, I just imported it using this single line. So my key just got imported. So presently, this will not be available in the repository because I have kept it under the git ignore. So we can use that key as well. So as we are reading uh, from the Hugging Face, so uh, we need to use a read coupon. And one special thing about our own model was, so we actually did not train it in a traditional way. We used one of the method which is used in sentence transformers, where we sort the length of the strings in ascending or descending order and then go it for training. So we have tried a different approach rather than creating a straightforward translation model, and it works very well. So when it comes to longer things, it works very thing. So I just try something very small thing. So I'll just maybe I just say I'll just use Apple now. So I'll just translate it from English to German. So let's see. So yeah, so we are getting like this thing, but I just like translate it with a simple thing, Newton So now I'll just translate it. So we can see that Newton sabe ante ne apple from. So it's some kind of thing in German. So I'm not exactly aware what was it. So I'll just reverse translate it as well from German to English. Now we'll just translate it. Okay, it's just saying it's translation field, but that's not an issue. Okay, okay. I was just so we'll just translate it from German to English. Newton sat under an apple tree. So it works both ways. So thank you.